Chinese multicolor spinach isn't actually a spinach at all. It's an amaranth. The lime green colored foliage splashed with magenta makes a riot of color in the garden and on the plate. Most Western gardeners know amaranth for its grain-like seeds. In Asia, however, it's popular as a leafy green eaten in high summer. In China, leaf amaranth is called yinsai. It's often eaten raw, stir-fried, or steamed, much like spinach. Gardeners are often vexed by greens that bolt in high summer heat. The intense sun and high temperatures can send spinach and lettuce to seed, and other leafy green crops can get bitter. This heat-loving plant is the answer to our summer greens woes. Chinese spinach is bolt-resistant. It tolerates heat and humidity, and the leaves stay supremely succulent, even in the peak of summer. This plant dazzles the eyes, but the glossy, vibrant leaves are also the most tender and delicious greens we've tried. Their mild flavor is nutty and sweet, similar to spinach. Chinese multicolor spinach is a fast-maturing crop that can be harvested just 30 to 40 days after sowing. It's ideal for succession plantings. Sow the seeds early, mid, and late season for nutritious, colorful leaves all summer long.